You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English, singular, and how to say the plural. As you know, it's not just a matter of putting an S at the end of the word wolf. To make it plural, you have to completely change the spelling. But how does the pronunciation change? So singular is wolf, that's the English pronunciation. Plural is wolves. Alright, so you have a V sound and a Z sound, okay? Wolves. Wolves is the plural. So you have one wolf, several, like 2 or 3 wolves. Wolves. Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.